Good afternoon, everybody. I was trying to figure out if it was morning, evening, or night there, so that's why I had the pause. But we're out there, me and my buddy Josh. So, hey, good wave, and I'll say Brock, and we're going for a little trail trek. The farm truck and the Jeep. And we're at the lake, Lake Ontario. Very nice. Try to get rid of this little sticky here. It's a little trickier with the one hand. Oh, we're going over the top. Gotta take it easy now. Whoa, whoa. Oh, all right, recovery. Let's see how the Jeep does this. Wasn't bad. 15-inch wheelbase helped me out. Now flipping down the hill. Nice. I like that. Nice little entry just to start to get to this new path. Never been here before. It's my buddy's stomping grounds from home. You can hear my tranny still making that clickety-click. Hey, that was from Ryler. Okay, so here's the next little piece. Looks very good. Where are you going over there, buddy? And he just finished this Jeep. It's his new piece. Not 100% done, but at least he's out having fun. I know that because he's rocking my back tire. Yeah, so I tried it off, lid flipped off. I'm gonna edit that one out. Let's see if we can get another take on this. Didn't bring any body clips. You know, I'm just gonna take it fairly easy, which I'm still gonna try to. Let's see if I can get the body to stay on this one time. Very nice. So far, not too bad, and I don't think I broke it. Running a plastic drive shaft in the back. New from the deadbolt there with the center male and the 2 outside females. And I super glued it, so see how long this lasts. Beautiful. Nice little line here. Well, it wasn't the finessiest line. I'm taking my lid off. Okay, got a little of the creek all hung up there, so bring the truck over. You want a winch or you want me to pull?
I'll give it a winch first. See if that
goes
works.
on.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm pulling you.
And nice little action here. Little tug. There's some good winch in action here. Good job. Very nice. Oh, got a little sideways. Riding the wall.
Oh, good save.
Oh yeah. I thought I was flipping that. They're nice.
And this with a tire off the bead.
Tire off the bead, you gotta, but hey, it's champion. Gotta get a close up there. I didn't just fall. No. Just a close up. Super close. Everybody loves a good super close shot. Very nice. Look at it. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Let's see what I can do. It's my turn. Oh yeah, I'm gonna flip it. Let's see, give it a little rock, little rock. Come on, center out. One more. Bring a little gas. Oh. Saves it!
Save of the day.
Yeah.
Might actually be a nice spot.
Oh. Oh. So, finishing up Lake Ontario. Great run. There's going to be lots more here. Got digging, built some little areas, and we're out of here. Farm truck, nothing broke. One little crack on the Jeep. Other than that, great time, beautiful day, sun's out, summer's coming.
3 tires off the beach.
All the tires are off the beach. Let's see if I can get in there without falling on my face. Oh, my truck, wipe out, gotta pay attention. Yeah, look at, oh, that's a beautiful one. Let's get that right in there. Look at that. That's how you get traction. He's cheating.
This is where I keep getting high standards, right at this spot coming up. Because I slide. Oh, I made it through this time.
Nicely done. Let's see what that farm truck can do. Oh, just centered me right out. Oh, not bad. Good thing I was there. So, just coming out, last of the run. Hope you guys like. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.